If you like shopping without paying taxes, then this state is for you. Also, called the home of tax free shopping, Delaware is also considered the cleanest state on the coastline, and it has been discovered to be the first state in the United States. So, we're going to look at Delaware tonight, guys. It's the 12th state in our marathon, 50 days, 50 nights, 5 school districts in each state. And if you're new to this platform, you would know that our topic, or you would not know, our topic is 50 states that sponsors H1B visa, looking at 5 school districts in each state. And tonight we're looking at Delaware. The states that are highlighted have already been covered, and you can find the link in the description below, a playlist that spoke about those states and 5 school districts in each state that sponsored H1B visa. Without any further ado, let's do our intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In tonight's video, we will be looking at the state of Delaware, home of tax-free shopping. Now, I know I would enjoy not having to pay taxes when I go shopping. How about you? Well, Delaware is one such state of 5 in the United States, tax-free shopping, and they're also considered to be one of the cleanliest states on the coastline. So tonight, guys, we're going to be looking at 5 school districts in Delaware that sponsors H1B visa in the last 2 years, 2022 to 2024. If you missed last night marathon, we did look at South Carolina. And as you know, I'm a South Carolina girl. That's where I did my first 6 years of teaching in the United States. So definitely don't want to miss South Carolina. We looked at that last night, but the link is in the description below. We're going to go straight into Delaware, guys. So hold your horses. So the first school district we're looking at in Delaware is called Academia Antonio Alonso, and it is a charter school. Now, if you've been following, you would have known a charter school is a public school funded by the government, but it is allowed to do its own operations. It doesn't have to follow the operations of the government. They have their own curriculum and so forth and so on. Guys, as you know, I only present the information. You can do further research if you want to learn more about these school districts. So, this is the Academia Antonio Alonso Charter School, and in the last 2 years, they have sponsored 2 H1B visas, and those were sponsored for STEM-related areas, math, science, STEM subjects. So if you're interested, you can check out their website and see what opportunities they have available for you. So that's our first school district in Delaware. The next school district we're looking at in Delaware is the Christina School District. The Christina School District have sponsored 7 H1B visa in the last 2 years, and they sponsored areas for math, Spanish, and Chinese. So if you're a Spanish teacher, you teach Chinese, you teach math, those were the areas they sponsored teachers for in the last 2 years. That's the Christina School District. Notice it says career there. Once you hit career, you can see what opportunities they have available for you. And it says we're hiring. Christina School District is currently hiring teachers and other school-based and district personnel. So check out their website, guys, for more information. As I mentioned earlier, I'm doing this marathon, 50 nights, 50 states, at least 5 school districts in each state. My research is based on schools that have sponsored visas in the last 2 years. 2025 has just started, so we are not sure if these school districts will still be sponsoring, but we are hopeful that they will continue to sponsor for the 25-26 school year. Now, I do not work with these school districts, so I cannot tell you if they're going to sponsor for the 25-26 school year, but I'm giving you up-to-date information on what they did in the last 2 years. Also, some of these school districts, they do offer J1 and H1B visa. And that, again, is no control of mine or an individual who's applying to teach in these school districts. Personally, I know school districts that sponsors both H and J1 visa, and they continue to support both J and H1 visa. Why they do this, we cannot tell. You'd have to ask personnel. But I'm just sharing the information. It's up to you to do your own research on a school district that is of interest to you. Let's go to the next school district. So the next school district we're looking at, it is the Red Clay Consolidated School District. The Red Clay Consolidated School District have sponsored 11 H1B visas in the last 2 years, and they also applied for one green card petition. So they did sponsor teachers in the areas of high school English language teachers and other areas. So you can check out their website to see if Red Clay Consolidated School District may be a good fit for you. Again, 11 H1B LCAs in the last 2 years and one green card petition for this school district. All right. Again, here they have careers. You check out what's available with this school district. Now, guys, if you've gotten this far, again, it says we're hiring, excellent benefits, competitive salaries. Contact us. There's an email address there, open positions, and you can check out what they have available. And you know it's going to take you to a different page. So guys, if you have gotten this far to the video and you've not liked us yet, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, turn your notification bells on, and don't forget to share. I appreciate what you've been doing so far, and I know you will continue with me on this journey. 50 states, 50 nights, 5 school districts in each. So the next school district I'm sharing, if you are a subscriber, you would have seen where I shared the school district before on my website. It's called the Appoquinimink School District. Again, located in Delaware, they have sponsored 24 H1B visas in the last 2 years. 24 petitions for LCAs. So if you're interested in Appoquinimink, you can check their website out. I saw where they sponsored teachers for world language, Spanish, math, physics, elementary education, Spanish immersion, and more. So definitely check their website out to see what opportunities are there for you. And it says there employment. And from employment, you will see current openings. And as we know, in most cases, it takes us to a different page. It did not. And so you will see the openings they currently have. They have 32 teaching professional positions. They have 17 coaching positions. And I'm just saying what's there currently. I'm not saying they sponsor for all those areas. So go ahead and check out that website and see if they may be a good fit for you. Home of the tax-free shopping. So the last school district we are going to be looking at, they also have sponsored H1B visas and petitions for green card. We'll be looking at that school district shortly, but before we get to it, again, if you did not like, go ahead and like this video, turn your notification bells on, and do subscribe. Share with your family members, and don't forget to comment 50-55. 50 states, 50 nights, 5 school districts. Again, if you need that one-on-one guidance as to how to start the process, if you're unaware of what to do, don't be afraid to reach out to me at supremacyconnect.com. It's on the screen, supremacyconnect.com, and book your one-on-one session so we can look over your unique case. Let's go to the last school district. So here we have the last school district. That's the Caesar Rodney School District. In the last 2 years, I've sponsored 28 LCAs for H1B and 3 LCs for green card petition. So 28 H1B LCAs and 3 petition for green card. That's the Caesar Rodney School District. So you can check out what's available there for you in this school district over there in Delaware. All right, guys. Again, if you're interested, it says work at CR. It says job portal, find jobs, employment, HR information. And as you know, once you hit that in most cases it takes us to a different page. But I hope you had some very informative information from this state. I hope you will take the time to do your own research, make contacts if you need to. Put an application in if you're interested in working in the state of Delaware. But that's it for tonight's video. Be on the lookout for tomorrow's marathon. We're going to be looking at North Carolina. Again, guys, if you missed South Carolina last night, you can check that video out, and definitely be on the lookout for North Carolina, where we'll be talking about school districts in that state that sponsors H1B visa. One thing I must add about North Carolina is that almost all the schools that I'm going to be sharing have sponsored teachers for almost all areas. Now, I did not see where they were sponsoring for specific subjects like science and math and stuff. Most of the school districts in North Carolina were sponsoring teachers for all areas. I mean, elementary, early childhood, high school, middle school, you name it. I saw that for North Carolina. So be on the lookout for North Carolina tomorrow. And guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.